Dressing gown check, white shirt check, iron check and ironing board check. Well, it's not your usual view on a motorway. These camera monitors were understandably baffled when they saw this man rock up to a closed section of the M1 to do a spot of ironing. It's all part of an extreme sport known as extreme ironing, or EI. It sees people taking an ironing board to a remote location and iron items of clothing. According to the official website, extreme ironing is the latest dangerous sport that combines the thrills of an extreme outdoor activity with the satisfaction of a well-pressed shirt. It all happened at the junction for Salvage Land and Glendore Gardens on Monday morning after part of the M1 was closed off after a fire broke out at a scrapyard in North London.